are you?
I'm dressed up. Fake birthday. Hey people, I'm back. And guess what? I'm natural. I did it. Obviously, it's on my TikTok because it was an impromptu thing. TikTok is just quicker to do, easier to do. And I decided to cut it, so I did it. Right now, I'm on my way to my lash appointment because it's a maintenance vlog. It's a maintenance vlog. Yeah, so I have 3 minutes to get there. My appointment's at 5. And I'm not far, but I'm still not there. So there's that. My car is doing foolishness. Anyways, so I'm gonna get lashes. I usually do volume like 12 millimeters. I think I'm saying that right. So I do 12, size 12. I'm gonna get my lashes done today. I'm gonna get my nails done today. Supposed to get my nails done yesterday, but she had to reschedule me to today. And then in the morning I have a hair braiding appointment. I had a hair braiding appointment. No, I have a hair braiding appointment at 7. So you know, it's a B2 appointment for 7, and it ain't right around the corner. Nowhere on this island is really that far, but it's still, you gotta wake up in a reasonable amount of time. So I have to get up from like 6. I need to wash my hair and everything tonight. But all of this prep is being done for my sister's bachelor trip. So I'm getting all dolled up, getting pretty, because it's looking a little rough, child. And I decided to just impromptu cut. So, child, I really need to feel more confident because I'm second guessing what I did. But then at the same time, the curls are popping. So, yeah, I'm getting dolled up for the trip. I get really nervous because I know people probably looking at me like, who is this girl talking to? And this reminds me that I need to get my car tinted so nobody could be watching me. This is the water that I drink. Baja Blue. I like it. She's a vibe. So yeah, I'm getting $1 for the trip. And back to the trip. It's coming up next week Friday. So in a week's time. So I'm doing all my prep so I can look good. My clothes, my hair, all that good stuff. These are my nails before. These are my face before. So yeah, that's what's popping. Okay, about to pull up. I am just about 2 minutes late, and that's okay. That's okay. All right, I'm gone.
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
minutes away from where I gotta go, so that works out for me. I have to get adjusted to the lashes because I haven't had lashes since February, and it's basically October. It's September, but you know. So yeah, it is what it is. I was catching up with my girl. She's so cool. But y'all go hit up Kiki Elite Beauty Bar. I'll have it tagged. So bright, but here are my nails. Oh, I just realized how cute I look with the lashes. Anyways, my nails. I hope it focused. I have no idea how this looks on camera. So I did like a cow print with little pink dots. Super cute. So now I gotta wash this hair, blow dry this, and be ready for my 7 a.m. braid appointment. So I'll probably just show y'all that, maybe snippets of the shower, but I'm gonna just relax and I'll probably just catch y'all up on Sunday. Okay, bye. Hi vlog. I am not as tired as you would think, but I would like to go back to sleep. I am headed to my braid appointment, but I'm wondering if my appointment is at 7 and the time is 6:54. Yeah, I don't have any breakfast right now. I just have water. Dressed up. I'm gonna make a quick run, something for my car. So I head to the shower, but this is how I am looking. I want to come and show y'all. So yeah, I think this is gonna be the end. Funny.
My money, my body, now your own.
Is that what we
I love you. My money, my body, now your own.
So here are some turtles. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, it is a little turtle. Turtle.
Come up for that right now. You coming for that right now? You coming to braid now? You going to the next side? You going?
Oh. You can't even see.
You on the next side now. You coming to braid?
Oh, this one is.
I crush.
No.
And they breathe air.
Oh, wow.
So they come up, go back down. They can sleep for about 3 hours, 4 hours underwater. Or like when they hunting or like just swimming around like that. Whenever they exert themselves or feel tired, they'll come up for air, breathe, go back down. See the next one come up. 2 of them in the front right now. Where the baby is.
Wow, that's so cute. Koda, say hey to the people. Big birthday. Big 18th birthday. Exploring Turtle Key. if anybody lives here. But don't say that. The hair probably looks, I don't know. What happened? Bro? Just vibes. Ooh. So, oh, what is this? This is like a little lagoon thing. Me and my little green swimming. What is this? Where? Oh my god, it's a fish.
I wonder if I can catch
Little fish. This is so freaking cool, babe. Koda, I'm afraid to step on this rock because what if you step on something and it's so sharp? This is cool. Where? I'm honestly so playful. If you see here, I don't know if you can see the fish, but I think I'm gonna kick now. And you see them move? I am so playful, but this is so cool and fascinating to me. Like, look at the little fishies. Oh my gosh. I just like to mess with them. But I don't like when they come after me. I've had that happen to me before, and I'm like, okay, now don't come around me. I haven't made a reel in so long.
Top boy. DJ Spinall. Fire boy.
I love you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you, you got vibes on you. I love you die for you,
Ladies.
but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you, you got vibes on you. Yeah, I love it. We could go on a vacation, have fun, baby, all night long. Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Ladies, I'm going to get drunk, right? I could see it in your eyes. And then I like it.